Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of reorganizing my garage, getting it all nice and tidy. And a lot of you have been saying on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube's Discord, email, all that stuff that I should get a beer fridge. And it just so happens to be that a company called NewAir has been asking me, hey, can we send you a beer fridge? So, boom, here we go. Now what's cool is if you're into beer, you got all the different brands and everything on the outside. It's a really fancy looking fridge here. It's got the nice glass. You can fit quite a bit in here. It goes, look how deep that is. I wonder if I could get a whole 12 pack in there. All right. So quick disclaimer, I don't actually drink beer. I drink soda, which will also fit in here. And they knew that when they sent this to me. I told them, I was like, I don't drink beer. A lot of lawn guys do. But, you know. Now what is neat is there's this light here. It's got an on-off switch. So that will actually stay on even when the door is closed. So those of you who want to show off your cool beer collection, you can have the light on for effect. All right, so yeah, let's set this down. Oh, so close. Actually, oh, yes. So, I actually have an extra one of these. If you look, you can set it in tiny increments, so you really can customize this. Now, because I'm doing soda cans, they're all that height, but you know, if you get the different beer bottles, cans, what's the big jugs called that you reuse and you bring them to? Stop kicking things, I'm doing a video. I'm talking to you. So, is it growlers? Growlers? Growlers. I think it's growlers. You know, if you have a local brewery like we do, you can reuse those bottles and get them filled in. They look like they would fit in nice down here, and it's pretty cool. Now, there's the cooling unit is actually along the back and the top. You can kind of see it there. It's very thin. So it uses up very little space. So you're actually able to put in quite a bit. Now the compressor and stuff is actually on the other side down here, but it's still a lot of space in this little guy. So very cool. Thank you, NewAir. You know, you don't have to be a beer aficionado to appreciate having a mini fridge in the garage. You know what? We're gonna try this orange vanilla Coke right now, live, not really live, unedited, right here. It's interesting. I'll put this in the category of I'll drink it if there's no other favorites around, but I won't go, oh, I can't drink that stuff. I know there's going to be a crowd that will love it, but for me, I like the straight up regular Coke. Alright guys, that's all for today. So just a little... If you like my videos, you'll love my website, grassdaddy.net. The Lawn Care Planner tool will download the local weather reports every morning and build a lawn care plan catered to your area. The Lawn Care Journal allows you to keep track of what you put down, when you put it down, so there's no more guessing or over or under applying any products. We also have a Lawn of the Week contest. Every week a winner gets a Grass Daddy t-shirt. And last but not least, there are application calculators and articles to help you identify and tackle problems in the lawn. So check it out, it's completely free, it's grassdaddy.net.